Volt Technologies is an AI-native Microsoft partner built purposefully to help small and mid-sized businesses scale their operations. 70% of implementations fail to go live or meet customer expectations, and that is a thing that we're here to change, a statistic that we want to break.
We take the approach of we're going to do it once and we're going to do it right.
We focus on doing everything right on the upfront and not treating these as just technology projects, but really people projects.
We don't think of our relationships with our customers as transactional. We look at our relationships with our customers as long-term, mutually beneficial partnerships.
I think the thing that differentiates Volt from other Business Central partners really is the care and the competency of our resources.
We really focus on enabling a white glove, high quality service delivered 24/7 with a global team and having everything that you need all in one umbrella. We want you to think of us as your technology partner and not just your ERP partner.
When I think of being a Microsoft first partner, the first word that honestly comes to mind is gratitude.
Being Microsoft first really means that we look through the lens of the Microsoft platform when applying technology for customers. We use Microsoft 365 as the foundation layer with productivity tools. We use Dynamics 365 as the system of record. And then we use Copilot as the AI agent layer to interact with the system of record and those productivity tools, creating this all-encompassing platform for small and mid-sized customers.
This is truly the interconnected nature of the platform that makes Microsoft second to none.
AI is at the core of everything that we do. They're actually an enabler for humans to scale their output.
With AI helping gain efficiency, this allows the client or the customer to focus on bigger picture things.
You now can have agents running on behalf for you, doing sales order processing while you're out there really connecting with your customers.
And in the future of AI and everything, people are going to be the main differentiator.
We have deep experience in the manufacturing, retail, apparel, physical goods, complex supply chain space. That's really where we love to operate.
I would describe our culture as high effort, high accountability. We have a really unique team of individuals who are incredibly ambitious.
Our values are happy employees, happy customers, and great results. Our vision is to use Business Central as the platform to revolutionize millions of small and mid-sized businesses with cutting-edge technology. What we're building here is built for the future.